ChatGPT, Canva, and MidJourney. These are just a glimpse of cutting-edge AI technologies out there. In today's video, I will give you practical steps on how to combine those technologies to make thousands of dollars every month. When I scrolled on Amazon to buy my nephew's birthday gift, I found this simple education children book sold almost 70,000 copies just on Amazon. That means this seller already made almost $1 million since 2018 or $220,000 a year with only this single product alone. Don't worry about publishing or anything like that. Amazon already comes with Kindle Direct Publishing Company, where you can publish your book very easily in less than 5 minutes. Now I'll show you how to create a similar business. Starting from generating books ideas, how to make great book content and high-quality illustrations, and all of that using the power of AI technology. So keep watching until the end. This insight will help you easily make a new income source with AI. The book industry is one of the biggest industries to be in, and we can make all of that using only ChatGPT to write the entire story. Still, the problem is it's going to take a while to read and do a review to make sure it's not copywritten or something like that. It's going to take a long time. But it's a different story from children's books because it's short and simple. It's so much better opportunity. As we know, to create a good child education book, we first need to come up with a great idea, so I asked the chatbot to generate some titles for a book related to this. Hey, can you give me 10 original children's education books titles for 1 to 2-year-olds that focus on learning the alphabet? Then ChatGPT regenerates some ideas for you. If there's still nothing that suits your taste, you can click this regenerate response and chatbot will give you another 10. What about this one? The ABCs of Food, an alphabet book for little foodies. That title is already fun for me. The last thing we need is a list of food from A to Z, so we asked chatbot to list all food with characters from A to Z to make it more fun. As we can see here, chatbot already made us every food from A to Z with a fun character of each of it. That will make this book so fun for children to read. Like this one. A is for avocado. Avo the adventurous avocado is a brave and daring avocado who loves exploring new recipes. Or like this one. N is for nectarine. Nate the nutty nectarine is a goofy and silly nectarine who loves making people laugh. You can go through them one by one, and if you want, you can ask the ChatGPT to generate another character for that later. So all that was done for ChatGPT. We already have great ideas and great content. Now let's hop to MidJourney. To make a great illustration for each of the characters, you can start by creating an account at the right corner. You can pick Join the Beta. To start generating illustrations, you can go to one of these newbies' room. We need to type the magic word, / and imagine. Then you can type anything you want MidJourney to create for you. But before that, I'll give you some tips for this one. As you can see, in this chat room, there are so many other people like us who want to generate for some illustrations. And for me, it's kind of hectic. Even sometimes in this room, I often lose my recent picture generated by MidJourney. So what you can do is to create a new server. Choose my own server, just follow the step and click Create. Then return to the MidJourney server, open their member list, left-click at MidJourney bot, and add to your server. That way you can freely create your own illustration only between you and MidJourney bot. Now let's generate our first picture by typing / and imagine. Then go back to chatbot and copy this description. Drop it to MidJourney and just press enter, then MidJourney will make it for you. Usually, it will generate in under 30 seconds. There you go, this bot will give you 4 variations to choose from. This is number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. And you can see under it there are some commands to use. This one is U command, which stands for upsize. What it will do is MidJourney bot will upsize your image resolution to give you better quality images for you to use. And this one is the V command. It stands for variation. It will give you some different variations for that image without changing the big picture of the image you chose. That last one is the reroll command. It will regenerate a completely new variation from all of your 4 pictures. We won't use it right now because I love this one, so let us generate a better quality for this image. So I pick a 4 and MidJourney will give me a higher resolution for that picture. After it's done, you need to click on that image and you can click open in a new browser so you can save it anywhere on your computer. Now we'll make another one, which needs a little trick to make MidJourney generate another picture with the same type as before. Let's begin with / and imagine. Then you copy the next character you want to make from your chatbot, then type make the same style, and after that, you go back to the last character image and you copy that link address. You can paste it there. For the background part, you can skip it or changes it with anything you want to make it more fun and colorful. Now MidJourney will make the next character with the same theme as before. You can repeat the process for each character you want to make one by one. I won't do it in these videos because it will be too long for this video. Now, everything is so much easy to make with MidJourney. You can make as many as 25 free images with your free trial. But I suggest you can subscribe for that if you want to make many images with MidJourney. I will put the link down below. Or let me tell you a secret. You can register as many times as you want with another email, so you can get free forever, right? But don't tell MidJourney about that trick. Let's just keep it between us. Now we already have all images for each character. Now it's time for our next step is to combine images and each character from ChatGPT to create funny-looking storybook using Canva. Before we go to Canva, if you like this video or more videos like this, you can leave likes and subscribe to this channel. Now we head to Canva. If you already use it, you can search for Storybook. If you don't have Canva before, I insist you make one because it's free for everyone. On this page, you create a blank storybook. After that, you can drop all your images into Canva. Then you can drag and drop your images into these templates. Now go to ChatGPT and copy each characteristic of the alphabet and paste it on top of your image. You can now adjust the text as you like, change the font style, size, the color, add some shadow, add box. You can edit your images, make it more colorful. When you are done, you can duplicate your images, which will save you so much time. Next time you need to add your next images and change the name and character. After that, all you need to do just replicate the process to all the characters of your book, and after you're done, you can save your book as PDF print. Congratulations, you already create your own children's book. Now it's time to publish your book. There are two ways to do that. First, you can go to the Kindle Direct Publishing website to register your book. And I give you a step-by-step to do that. I leave it the link below this video. Or you can go to print-on-demand web like Shopify, Blurb, Ingram Spark, and etc. If you still have any questions about this video, you can comment below. I will personally answer all your questions and help you make your passive income. And this is your last step to get your passive income like them. It is for you to start right now, not tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, because the next person who watches this video will do it now. Best of luck to you in your first book adventure.